pooled funds. So basket of investments coming from different investors, managed and administered by a professional fund manager. So yung professional fund manager, in exchange of fees, binabayaran natin sila ng fees to manage the fund for us. So sila yung mamimili, no, ng investment for us. So ano yung difference nito sa atin? Kasi yung sa atin may pagka-pooled fund din siya eh. Kaya lang, itong mga pooled funds kasi usually hindi sila nag-i-invest doon sa pinaglalagyan nila. So talagang fund manager lang sila, no? Tayo, maski ang SEDP for example ay naglalagay ng stake doon sa investment na pinupuntahan. So two schools of thoughts yung sinasabi niyan when you talk to investors. May mga nagsasabi na um, maganda yung ano no, yung may stake pa rin yung fund manager kasi uh, kapag may stake siya, mas mag-iingat siya no sa investment na lalagyan niya. Pero may school of thought din na nagsasabi na dapat talaga yung fund management ay separate para hindi sila walang parang may certain moral hazard daw pag ganun. Pero para sa akin mas may moral hazard kung wala kang stake doon. Yon. Ayan. Ah, okay. So si Maha may tanong. Sir Vince, yung possibility po ng capital loss, applicable din po ba sa Marzan 1 and 2 or capital preserve po sila? Okay. So pag masunog yung building, mayroong insured naman yun, no? Because we get insurance for that. Pero we are not sure whether the insurance company will replace the exact amount no nung value nung property. Depende sa magiging danyos na makukuha natin. So other than that, yun yung capital naman natin ay mape-preserve. So the gain or the loss of the investment fund is passed on by the fund managers to the investors. So yan yung pooled fund. Ano ba yung mga usual pooled funds sa Philippines? Mutual funds, UITFs, Unit Investment Trust Funds, exchange traded funds, at saka may bago ngayon yung VUL, no? Is also form of a pooled fund. Okay. So ano ba yung mga types of pooled funds natin? So meron tayong stock or equity fund. So in every pooled fund, kaya ito nakakalito eh. Kasi 'di ba meron tayong may iba't ibang klase ng pooled fund. So may mutual fund, UITF, exchange traded fund, no? Or VUL. Doon sa apat na 'yan, mayroon ding usual na apat na kinds. Okay? At yung apat na kinds na 'yan, either stock or equity, no? Bond or fixed income fund. Okay? So yung stock or equity talagang naka-focus lang siya sa stock market. Yung bond or fixed income fund, yung sa mga fixed income securities na binanggit ko kanina, usually yun. May time deposit sila, pero mostly bonds, corporate or government bonds yung laman niyan. Okay? Doon sila namimili ng mga investment. Tapos may money market funds. So yung money market funds usually naman ay nagmamature siya within 1 year. Yun yung tinitignan nila. Kaya usually lower yung return dito. And then may tinatawag na balanced fund where they mix money market, equity, and the bond fund. Okay? So, yun yung ano natin. Yun yung pooled funds. Ngayon, if we compare and contrast lang, no, ang pinakasikat kasi would be the mutual fund and the UITF. So yung mutual fund or UITF natin, so pareho silang pooled fund. Yung pangalan ng fund, mutual fund technically, yung UITF ay trust fund. Okay? So yung company, yung mutual fund is the mutual fund company. Actually, yung alam niyo yung Pag-ibig, mutual fund po siya kasi yung Home Development Mutual Fund ang registration ng Pag-ibig. So, kung meron, pag tinatanong, meron ba kayong investment sa mutual fund? Meron. Kung may Pag-ibig ka, meron. So, UITF ay banks, usually yung organization na yan. No? Managed by the fund manager, trust professional naman sa UITF. Yung fund unit, shares, yung sa mutual fund, units sa UITF. Ang fees, may entry fee and management fee sa mutual fund. Usually sa UITF ay management fee lang. Pero may pinasok akong UITF kamakailan lang. May management, may entry fee, hindi, may exit fee siya kung within 1 month ay kukunin mo siya. So just make sure na kaya mong i-ano yung 1 month. No? Shareholder ka sa mutual fund, yung UITF ay hindi ka shareholder. Okay? May voting rights ka sa mutual fund, wala kang voting rights sa UITF. May dividend sa mutual fund, sa UITF, wala. Liquidity and time frame, open-ended. Ano ibig sabihin ng open-ended? You can easily withdraw, no? Wala siyang maturity usually. Okay? Insurance, parehong wala, hindi sila covered ng PDIC. Regulatory agency, SEC, yung sa mutual fund, BSP naman sa UITF. At yung tax, yung UITF ay hindi tax exempt, pero yung mutual fund ay tax exempt, no, on capital gains. So mas may tax advantage yung mutual fund. Saan tayo magbabaya ay magbibili? Sa mga licensed mutual fund agents, sa mutual fund or sa UITF, sa trust representative ng banks. Yan. Okay? So, yan po yung sa mutual fund, yung mga pooled funds natin.